News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Coal India Limited, Town Planning Wing, Department of Urban Planning, Chandigarh Administration, Raw Materials Division, Steel Authority of India Limited, Jawaharlal Nehru Aluminium Research Development and Design Centre, Nagpur, Kalakshetra Foundation, Office of the Principal Commissioner of Central Tax, Hyderabad, and Krishna Water Disputes Tribunal. Coal India Limited, CIL, a Schedule A Maharatna public sector undertaking under Ministry of Coal, Government of India, invites applications from eligible candidates for filling up 75 vacant posts of Senior Medical Specialist or Senior Medical Officer and Senior Medical Officer Dental for CIL or ECL. For detailed information on eligibility criteria, number of posts, age, reservation, process of applying, selection process, etc., please refer to the detailed advertisement at www.coalindia.in and easterncoal.gov.in/notice/recruitment header. Closing date for submission of application is 30th April 2021. Any amendment or modification relating to this recruitment will be notified on CIL website only. For any queries, email at hodee.ecl@coalindia.in. Applications are invited from the central or state government or union territories for filling up one post of ferro printer on deputation basis in the Town Planning Wing, Department of Urban Planning, Chandigarh Administration. Applications duly complete in all respects should reach through proper channel to the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of its publication in Employment News. Detailed terms and conditions are available in the advertisement uploaded on the website urbanplanning.cht.gov.in and chdpr.gov.in. Raw Materials Division, RMD, the controlling unit of captive mines of Steel Authority of India Limited, SAIL, invites applications from eligible persons for filling up the following posts for posting in its various mines. 2 posts of Medical Officer, Dental, 7 posts of Medical Officer, OHS, 17 posts of Medical Officer, GDMO, and 20 posts of Medical Specialist, 3 for Medicine, 2 for Surgery, 3 for ENT, 1 for Dermatology, 2 for ONG, 2 for Orthopedics, 1 for Pathology, 2 for Pediatrics, 1 for Psychiatry, and 1 for Anesthesia. Detailed advertisement may be seen on SAIL's website www.sail.co.in at the link Careers. Interested candidates fulfilling the eligibility criteria may send application through speed post or registered post as enumerated in the advertisement. Closing date for receipt of applications is 7th May 2021. No other mode of application shall be accepted. Jawaharlal Nehru Aluminium Research Development and Design Centre, JNARDDC, is an autonomous body under Ministry of Mines, Government of India, a centre of excellence for research in the field of bauxite, alumina and aluminium. JNARDDC was established as a joint venture supported by the Ministry of Mines, Government of India and United Nations Development Programme, UNDP, and has been fully functional since 1996. The serene setting of the campus, coupled with a modern technical complex and state-of-the-art facilities, provides an environment conducive for scientists to develop creative contributions to the technological growth of the Indian aluminium industry. JNARDDC, with its limited and highly qualified manpower, has developed speciality for providing high-grade technical support services to primary and secondary aluminium industries. The centre has made key contribution in the areas of beneficiation, technological evaluation of bauxites, reduction of energy consumption and environmental pollution by effective utilization of aluminium industry residue materials such as red mud, dross, scrap, etc., aluminium process modeling and alloy development and indigenization. The centre also offers analytical and testing facilities to other non-ferrous industries, steel plants, small-scale industries, R&D organizations and academic institutions, particularly in the areas of chemical and mineralogical analysis, powder characterization, thermal mapping, microstructural studies, mechanical and non-destructive testing, failure analysis and technical information. Jawaharlal Nehru Aluminium Research Development and Design Centre, Nagpur invites applications from Indian nationals for the following posts. 1 post of Scientific Assistant 2, 1 post of Scientific Assistant 1, 1 post of Senior Purchase cum Store Assistant and 1 post of Junior Assistant. Applications have to be submitted online only. Detailed terms and conditions are available in the centre's website www.jnaRDDC.gov.in under the SEB head Career. Last date for submission of online applications is 10th May 2021. Online applications are invited from suitable candidates for the following post in various units of Kalakshetra Foundation, an autonomous body under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. 1 post of Manager, Craft Education and Research Centre, 1 post of Foreman, Craft Education and Research Centre, 1 post of Semi-Skilled Worker, Craft Education and Research Centre, 1 post of Manager, Basant Arundale Senior Secondary School, 1 post of Accountant, Kalakshetra Foundation, and 1 post of Superintendent in Basant Cultural Centre Hostel. Detailed qualifications or instructions are available on the Kalakshetra Foundation's website www.kalakshetra.in. Last date for receipt of application shall be 17th May 2021 up to 5 p.m. Applications are invited from meritorious sportspersons who have represented the country or state or university in the international or national or inter-university conducted by Inter-University Sports Board tournaments for appointment to 3 number of post of Havaldar under sports quota in the office of the Principal Commissioner of Central Tax, Hyderabad. Further details regarding the discipline of sports earmarked for recruitments, educational qualifications and other eligibility conditions are available at departmental websites www.cbic.gov.in and cgsthyderabadzone.gov.in. Application completed in all respects should reach the concerned person on or before 4th June 2021. For candidates domiciled in northeastern states, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Jammu and Kashmir, the application should reach the concerned person by 14th June 2021. Please refer to advertisement dated 4th January 2021 for filling up 1 post of Executive Engineer in Krishna Water Disputes Tribunal on deputation, including short-term contract or re-employment basis, published in Employment News dated 16th to 22nd January. The last date of the receipt of application for the post of Executive Engineer has now been extended for 45 days from the date of publication of this corrigendum in Employment News. The details of eligibility criteria of the post of Executive Engineer are available on the website www.mowr.gov.in. Those candidates who have already sent their applications in response to advertisement in Employment News dated 16th to 22nd January 2021 for the post of Executive Engineer need not to apply again. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.